Hi friends, in previous session we learned the how to create a table and how to insert a data in a table. In this session we learn the what is the problem of to give this varchar size is a 10 or a 5. Now if you observe here I given a first name, the length varchar is a given a 30 and the country code I given a 2. Okay, so I'm going to take in this query. Okay, I want to insert again one more employee. I'm giving the employee is a 2. Here I'm giving the more than 30 characters. Okay, more than 30 characters I'm giving. Now I want to execute this query and I click on execute. See here I got an issue. I got a issue. The binary would be the truncated in a table, employee column first name, so it is showing the value. Why I got this issue is I given a length is a 30, but I given input a more than a 30 characters. So because of that, it is not able to inserting data in a table. So I have to give the below 30 characters or up to 30 characters only I can give. If I give more than 30 characters I will get a issue. Okay, now country code I given 2 characters. Now I'm specifying the more than 2 characters and trying to insert this query. Again I will get a again issue because of I given a character size is a 2, but I given a more than 2 characters. Okay, because of that I'm getting again a issue. So whatever the size you specified here, we have to give that size only, otherwise we'll get an issue. Now I'm giving 2 characters and valid first name and inserting the record. See, now I am able to inserting the record. Now to check it is inserted or not, run the select star from employee table. To get employee information we have to use the select star from employee table. Any table we can give here, we have to use the select star from to see the table information. Now I want to insert one more record. Okay, I want to insert one more record. So I'm giving the employee ID is a 3 and I'm removing this name and I'm changing the first name and the last name. Okay, and inserting one more record. So to insert it or not, now execute select star from table. Now see I'm able to see the data in a table. So I'm able to see joining date, first name, last name, total employee count is a 3. Now what I want to get only this information, first employee only I want to see. Then how to execute I want to get a only specific employee instead of getting the all the employees in a table. So how to see now, using select star from table where employee id, where employee id equal to 1, I can see only specific employee here. So I'm getting the only specific employee. Now I want to see two employee information. In that scenario we have to use the in class instead of equal to. I'm going to use the in class, put 1 comma 2, and now execute this query. We will see the two employee information with the help of in class. So this is a way to get employee information, but I want get employee information instead of employee id. I want to see the employee first name. So here I'm changing this first name. Okay, first name, and I want to get only. So whenever we are using the string we have to use the single quote only in the SQL server. So give the Shiva here and I am removing this. We'll get a Shiva information. Okay, run on this query. See, I'm getting the Shiva information only. Now I want to see the two employee information. The name equal to Narayana. Narayana. and execute this query again, we'll get two employee information. So this is the way we can get data from database with the help of SQL query. In next coming session, we'll see the more queries, select queries in a SQL server. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.